me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire.
Alrighty Rockstars, and welcome to a new video. Today Eddie is getting down on these track spec hood vents for a C5 Corvette. So the first thing Eddie does is lay down the stencils for the hood vents and then tapes up his work area and then measures everything to make sure everything is nice and even and its perfect place, because he's going to be doing some cutting. So remember to measure twice, cut once. If you're going to be cutting up your hood, you better do it right. And a Rockstar pro tip, make sure you're in a well ventilated area and wear safety goggles, because these fiberglass particles go everywhere.
What is this, like halfway?
This is the home stretch.
Home stretch right here.
Cutting is the hardest part. Measuring and cutting is the most annoying part. Once you get past that, it's pretty easy.
So one rivet is in, and he's going to measure it one last time to make sure everything is in place. Now that we're looking good, we're going to move on, do some drilling and riveting.
The other thing you want to be careful is braking. Because when it snaps, normally all your weight, wherever it's leaning, will go with it.
Alrighty Rockstars, he is done. What do you think? Now some of you Rockstars out there might be asking yourself, why hood vents? 1, they're cool. 2, they help extract all that heat underneath your hood and get it out. This is a very effective race car modification. Nobody said you can't do it to your daily though, so if you guys are interested, let us know.
Fuck this thing right here. Got me? Let's see, like. Fuck you.
Alrighty Rockstars, and that does it for another video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think of the track spec hood vents. I wouldn't mind having these on my 240. What kind of car do you guys want to see them on? Alrighty guys, that does it. See you next time.